Hello my friends and welcome back to the Contessa Remodel videos part 3 and 4. It's such an honor for me to share with my friend, my student Mridul, because these were the boys who were a team who were helping me shoot the cars while they were being built. So they shared a lot of experiences with me in the last 3-4 years while they were in college. We put some great videos up. We've shown the making of this car, which has touched a lot of people's heart from all around India. So we are very lucky that we are once again bringing up another episode after 3 years to share the beauty of this car. And Mridul over here is going to tell you what it feels for him to be a part of the first Indian muscle car. And I'm going to ask him a few things. Would you believe, Mridul, that this car would be possible being made in India?
Nah. First impression from everyone, what car is this? Is it an American muscle? This is what everyone says. And I'm like, guys, India, man, this is India's first muscle car. You think Indians cannot make a muscle car? Beat this, people.
And when we were building the car in metal, did you believe that we would get such curves to the car, such moldings? And by the way, my friends, all this thing you see, these are the columns of the car. This is the door which has been extended 7 inches.
Exactly.
The car has been dropped. So what has happened with this car for us to make it the way it is and get so many great reviews? It's an honor that not only was it looking amazing and driving amazing, it actually lasted until today. I'm very confident, and I make these friends of mine, my students, confident that when you work on products, see for reliability, see for the prosperity of the product rather than just the cosmetics. So this is one example to show. I have made hundreds of cars successful like this, but this is one of my most unique projects. I mean, as you see the lines over here, all the kit, this is all metal. This is made out of 18 gauge metal sheets, hand molding them. This kind of craftsmanship does not exist in the world anymore, but here, this is what we are pulling in India. And yes, it's a time consuming job. How much fun did you have while we were building this car?
Every morning we had this task list, okay, where we had to, decide what has to be done when. It used to be very difficult to find out what is actually happening behind the car. Cutting down it was a 4-door car, by the way, people, if you don't know. So this is now a 2-door car. So the doors which are extended, जो दूसरे दरवाजे हैं साले उनको काट के इनको मिला है यार. तुमको लगता है ये पॉसिबल होता है? और ये पूरा हाथ से बनी है गाड़ी यार. कोई मेटल शीट का काम हाथ से नहीं करता यार. And you know what? Suraj has done it. He's proved people nothing is impossible. Impossible has 3 words. I am possible.
Thank you.